So, hi again. A warm good afternoon. It's a midweek. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor, additive solutions, and I bring with myself about 25 years of experience in global PR, branding communication, marketing, and ideation and retail experience and stuff. Uh, I'm presently the founder and CEO of a setup in Delhi NCR called I'm Decor Design, and we're in the business now of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And we design, supply, and we also kind of provide design consultancy for furniture, for corporate gifting items, for uh, interior solutions like if you have a particular idea in mind, an innovative idea or something, we can do that for you. We promote art and installations as well, but the forte or the expertise presently is in furniture, which is office furniture, hotel furniture, which is co-working areas, which is you know banquets, which is libraries, studios, whatever. Any space that requires interior solutions like lamps, mirrors, uh, center tables, consoles, and furniture in modular or in Scandinavian or in, let's say, wicker, leather, or something. They can get in touch. People can get in touch with us and stuff like that. Okay, so uh, it's a midweek. The weather's changing and stuff, so throat issues and stuff. So take care of yourself and be alert about it because the confusion is around corona and cough and cold and fever and stuff. So if a persistent problem continues, do see a doctor. So what am I sharing now? So I'm sharing, so from my experience of, I would say, vast experience now, having received about 4 awards and a few certificates and stuff, and interaction and meeting and spending time with international leaders, with ambassadors and bureaucrats and TV personalities, media people, fashion industry, retail, women entrepreneurs, children, various clubs which are working in humanity and stuff, and after being also engaged in community, one does realize that at one point of time, you start questioning a lot of stuff in life and all that. So it's a good thing to do that, because if you don't spend your time and energy on sorting out stuff and not trying to be very clear on what you want and what you don't want, your life keeps going in one track and stuff like that. Okay, so to make life a lot easier, never ever question the flow and stuff. You may be wanting something really bad and it's not happening and stuff. So one has to have this acceptance and realization that it's not meant for you. And sometimes you don't even expect something and life takes a detour, or probably your career takes a detour, or your personal life takes a detour, and things change, and we regret, and we are kind of upset, or we are recalling pain and we're calling the sad part of our lives and stuff like that. Illness can teach you a lot, and a hospital, when you go to a hospital, it teaches you a lot and stuff. So similarly, when you're kind of sorting out your mental space, your emotions and stuff, either through music or through creativity or through expression or through writing or through, you know soulful music, or through, let's say, a practice like Buddhism, there are so many turns and there are so many events that come to your mind like anybody else. If you're a part of a sangha or a community, you open up and you share, you'll see that there are similar experiences happening everywhere. So my my share here in a nutshell is about not questioning the change, and kind of staying open to the new stuff which is coming, the change that's coming, something new that's happening, and doing away with the old and stuff. You may have some resistance and everything, but the point is to accept that there is a change happening, there's a transformation happening, and certain things are not happening because there's a transformation for the better. And you're used to unpleasant, you're used to unhealthy, you're used to certain relationships, offices, or certain environments or certain people, and you start thinking that this is the way it has been, this is the way it is, that's the way it's always been, and it's always going to be like that. Okay, so the point is